So I'm going to do a review of Stewart's Peppermint Stick Ice Cream here, limited edition. So I never had their Peppermint Stick Ice Cream before. I did have their other ice cream before. So this is Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here. Stewart's Peppermint Stick Ice Cream here. As you can see, they put little pieces of candy cane, the red and the green candy cane in here. Looks really festive. As you can tell, it's more of a season of hot chocolate, but hey, peppermint ice cream, it's not bad either. As you can see, there's snow outside right now, a little bit. It's been snowing kind of all day, but a lot of it's been melting. But as you can see, little pieces of peppermint cane, or not peppermint cane, peppermint candy cane, red pieces and green pieces here, and vanilla ice cream. Let's make sure it's vanilla ice cream. I don't know. It might be eggnog ice cream, actually. I don't know. No, that's vanilla ice cream. Looks like French vanilla ice cream. Like I said, little pieces of candy cane here. Wanted to try this because anything that Stewart's kind of makes is pretty good. As a release. I didn't have this last year. I don't know if this was out last year, actually. I don't know. Never had this before. But this the season here. This the season. Of course, on Wednesday, as far as I know, I'm going to be trying the new Wendy's Peppermint Frosty. Of course, Chick-fil-A has their Peppermint Frosty too, but I'm not going to try it. I tried it last year. It was gross. Of course, a lot of places are coming out with their own peppermint flavored stuff. Of course, McDonald's in March comes out with their Shamrock Shake, but they don't come out with anything peppermint flavored for the holiday season, though. It'd be nice if they did come out with something peppermint flavored for the holiday season, but they don't. I believe they do have a peppermint hot chocolate, I believe. I don't know. I don't think they still do it. They used to. Went down the wrong throat. Wrong. Yeah. Excuse me. Anyway, it's pretty good. Not a big fan of the candy pieces in here, because I just like if it was just smooth, like a smooth flavor. Maybe they put like more of a flavoring than like candy pieces, because I think it's the candy pieces that are making the flavoring. And then like you have to eat the candy pieces, and I don't know. I don't really care for like chunks of stuff in ice cream. It just makes it the taste. I think if they would put like a just like a flavoring or syrup or something, it would be good. But it's still pretty good. On a scale rating of 1 to 10, I would give it a 8. It's pretty good. So we give it an 8 on a scale rating of 1 to 10. So Stewart's Peppermint Stick Stewart Shops Peppermint Stick Ice Cream Limited Edition. Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here. Peace.